It's your boy Jay Will back with another video. A lot of people been messaging me, asking me about Microsoft Bing ads and the Metacore product to set up another campaign and show them step by step exactly how I did it. Earlier today, I posted a post of me making over $100 a day. I made about $900 this week, which is product. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a step by step campaign and show you guys how I did it. Okay, here we go. Microsoft ads. Visit to my websites. Search ads and then click next. Gonna type in Metacore. Gonna just put $500 a day. For the countries, gonna do United States. Spelled it wrong. Canada. Australia. New Zealand. I'm missing one. Canada, Australia. Oh, United Kingdom. Then we're gonna scroll down. We're gonna uncheck this. Go to the keywords. Okay, we're gonna name this ad group Metacore. I'm gonna go grab these keywords: Metacore supplement, Metacore pills, order Metacore, by the Metacore, where to buy Metacore, exact phrase match. Select all those, copy, paste that up in here. Gonna make another ad group. Let's call it review. So for the review, we're gonna use these: Metacore scan, Metacore review, exact phrase, copy and paste that up in here. We're good. We can go to the next page. Okay. Create ad. Oh, it always freezes right here. Come on. There we go. Put Metacore. $90% off today only. Free shipping. Okay, I'm gonna go grab my tracking link from ClickMagic. Put that in the tracking links. Paste that. Gonna put query string. And device. Then I'm gonna put this, paste this in here. This is the website we're gonna use for this particular ad. Also gonna test more websites. I'll show you guys the other websites I'm testing. For the description, we're gonna do this. You can pause the video right here, capture that same description. That's how the ad should look. Save that. Oh, my computer is moving so slow right now. Okay, copy ad. Edit it. I put Metacore supplement for this one. Save that. Copy that ad. Gonna put Metacore pills for this one. There we go. Then we're gonna copy this ad to all the other ad groups. Then we're gonna hit edit on this ad. We're gonna do Metacore scam. Save that. Copy this ad. Then we're gonna put Metacore complaints on this one. I spelled complaints wrong. There we go, Metacore complaints. Gonna save that one. And this one we're gonna put Metacore review on this one. And that should be it. Let's go. Medical review, save. Okay, should have 6 ads. Scroll to the bottom, save and go to next. We're gonna do maximize clicks. I wanna say they cost per click to $3.50 per click. Gonna go down here, add distribution, Bing and AOL only, and that should be it. Add a swing over to click funnels. Here is all the funnels I'm gonna test out for this Metacore. I have multiple funnels set up. I can give you guys these funnels. Just DM me if you have a ClickFunnels account. If you don't have a ClickFunnels account, just leave in the comment below and we can work something out. I can send you my funnel and you can test these funnels out yourself. Have multiple funnels. So I'm gonna test all these funnels out with this product and see how they go. Oh, come on, load up. There we go. But meanwhile, like, subscribe, comment. Let me know below if you want this funnel. And I can shoot it over to you. I can email it to you however you want it. And let me know if you don't have ClickFunnels. You might want to get ClickFunnels and get more realistic about your business, because the way everything's going with the COVID still haven't healed up yet. You guys might want to find another source of income. This is the best way to start, easiest way to start, step by step, simple. So in the meanwhile, like, subscribe, comment, follow me on Instagram at JWillTV.